Okay, this is a tutorial about how to complete the table part of the Venn diagram project. So if you look at the bottom of your paper with your instructions about how to complete the project, you'll see a table, and it says within the table you have person 1 and 2 alike / whole, and then it tells you to convert first to fraction, then decimal, then percent. Okay, so for example, you know the bottom number, your denominator, is always going to be 20 in this table. Okay, so you draw your own table on a separate sheet of paper, and you can answer these questions. Okay, so you're thinking about, or what you're answering is, for person 1 and person 2, alike, what things were alike about you and your partner. So for example, if you had within your Venn diagram, there were 4 things that were alike about you, you would put that in the numerator. Now you have it as a fraction. But let's go ahead and simplify that fraction. And in simplifying the fraction, you're dividing both numerator and denominator by 4. So it reduces to what? 1/5. So make sure when you convert it to a fraction, you make sure it's reduced. So that's 1/5. So now it says in the next box of the table to change it to a decimal. The way you change a fraction to a decimal is by dividing the numerator into the denominator, as so, and adding the zeros. Bring the decimal straight up. 5 will go into 10 because you can't divide it into 1. So 5 into 10 is 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. So that was pretty simple. So this would be your decimal answer, which is 0.20. And of course, to change it to a percent, if you have 0.20 and you want to change that as a decimal to a percent, you simply move the decimal 2 places to the right, and then put the percent sign at the end. Please send a message letting me know whether you understand how to do the bottom part of the page of the instructions of the project. The project will be due on Thursday.